Today, we are replacing a 5-spring lower arm on a front to back tarp system. Someone bumped into this without paying attention. If you look down this on the top, you can see how the pivot pin is crooked now. And if you can see down in there, the weld is breaking. The top is fine, and this bracket is fine. So today we're just replacing the pivot pin and the lower arm itself. So first I'm going to take out the top corner. All right, so we're gonna take out these bolts inside, just pop that out. Don't lose your bolts. And then see if this cross tube will come out. But careful, there's a lot of tension on the arm pushing it down. A clamp comes in really handy when you want to keep the arm from swinging down. And we'll see if this arm will come out easily. They usually don't. Hammer time. Well, we got one of them newfangled Cybertrucks interrupting everything. I feel confident I could smash this. If you give me 20 seconds to inflict damage. All right, we can proceed. From time to time, and what seems like almost every time, gotta use some brute force. So let's knock this puppy out. All right, this is rather bent up, so we had to kind of pull that out of the way. But there's still tension on the springs. The bolt is getting stuck on the thing, so let's see if I can wedge that out. There we go. I'm gonna take this pin out. This is called a snap ring thingamajiggy. It's a very helpful tool. Yeah! I'm just gonna take the pivot pin off. Ow! Precision engineering. This is a 5-spring pivot pin. Hoo-yah! Yeah! Load the springs on. Sometimes you gotta shimmy it down while you load them. It's not too hard to kind of finagle this on there. Boink. There you go. All right, so this is the upper arm, which is, excuse me, sir. This is the upper arm, which is in perfectly fine shape. We're going to take that out. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, here. Not quite done yet. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back in the new one. I can see where the old marks are, so that's quite handy. So I'm gonna line them up in here. There we go. So that will give me the same placement that it was in. I'm going to thread a set screw there and a set screw there. Tighten these up. You don't need to over tighten. You just want to bite into it a little bit to keep it from sliding out. This tool comes in handy. Clamp it. All right, and then I'm gonna get this positioned in there. Nice, that was easy. Thread that through, get that threaded, and then we'll tighten it up. Okay. Alrighty, you wanna try it?
Roll it up?
Yeah, try it out. What happened last time was his arm got hit against the truck, and so it was binding up on the side rail. It's not binding up on the side of the rail, and that is good. Is this tarp in perfect shape? No, I would say not. Does it line up perfectly nice and even? No, it does not. But for this guy, all he really wanted to happen today was to get that right passenger side lower arm fixed so he could keep on rolling. And hopefully he'll come back by and we'll switch everything else out for him. All right, thanks for watching how to replace a tarp system lower arm.